Are you craving delicious fried rice but want to keep it keto? I've got the perfect recipe for you. Start with cooking 1 cup of riced cauliflower in a hot pan with a splash of olive oil. Toss in 1 diced chicken breast, seasoned with salt, pepper, and a pinch of garlic powder. Cook until golden brown and fully cooked through. Next, add half a cup of chopped bell peppers and a handful of snap peas. Stir fry for 2-3 minutes until veggies are tender but still crisp. Now, push everything to the side and crack 2 eggs into the pan. Scramble them up, then mix everything together. Finally, season with a splash of soy sauce or coconut aminos for that authentic fried rice flavor. Give it a good toss and you're done. Tasty, keto-friendly chicken fried rice ready in no time. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this recipe and subscribe for more delicious keto content. Keto Fit Haven, making keto easy and delicious.